Hello there YouTube, hope that your day has been going great, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Android device into the look and feel of an iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, or S7, Galaxy S8, whatever you choose, as far as Samsung Galaxy looks and feel. And also you can get Google's Essential phone, the little notch, as you can see I have right there. But of course, as usual, all links will be included in the description below, so make sure that you check that out before you go any further. So once you have downloaded the apps in the description below, make sure that you do go ahead and launch this one. It will be the pink looking one. As you can see, I have the Essential PH-1. So if I turn this off, it's actually gonna take away the notch. And as you can see, I do have rounded corners, but that's not my actual phone. But as you can see, it does look very OEM and factory like, so that is a very, very good perk of doing it this way. But then once you have downloaded the iPhone X notch app or whatever, should be the first link in the description, but if it's not, it'll be the second. So once you have those apps, go ahead and launch. Again, I said the pink one. It looks like that right there, smartphone upgrader. So go ahead and launch it. You're gonna see two options right in the middle of the screen. You're gonna see turn your phone into iPhone X, and you're gonna see I prefer Android. So we're gonna go ahead and do the iPhone X. So once you do this, you're gonna get a little slider. You can actually go ahead and resize it, so this does actually stay. As you can see, I do still have the bar. Now, I don't believe that this stays on the lock screen. I'm not quite sure. Let me check. So no, unfortunately, it does not stay on the lock screen, but as soon as you turn on the device and you unlock it, it's back. But other than that, it's very, very good looking, I think, especially because it's not in the way of your notifications and stuff, and you can still get the look. But on the same app, if you want the Essential phone look, which is the one that I originally showed you, just go ahead and look on the same app and click iPhone X again. Now once you are in this little rainbow mode, go ahead and click the second toggle, and it's going to say I prefer Android. Go ahead and click that, and then hit the top toggle one more time, and then you'll have the Essential phone. And again, you can resize it and so on. But once you've done that, if you do want the cornered look that I have right here, go ahead and click again, the links in the description, and you're gonna go ahead and launch the Note 8 app. It looks like that right there, Note 8 S8 rounded corner. So once you are in the app, it's gonna say enable start on boot, show notification. Just go ahead and toggle all three of those on, and then once you've done that, you can go ahead and boot off your device, boot it back on. Once you log into your phone, you can go ahead and launch this app, and then you can toggle and fix the corners and everything else to your preference. But I just personally recommend turning the corners about 75 to 50%, because otherwise it's gonna cut off a good majority of your screen. And I have a plus size phone right here, so yeah. But as you can see, I do already have the options right here if you scroll down. So you're going to have to scroll down, and then you can actually enable certain corners. So I do have all 4 corners of my phone rounded, but you can, if you choose, I could not do the bottom left or the bottom right. And then, as you can see, I get a leaf-like shape. So you can see that's very nice looking. But again, depending on what kind of phone you have, just do it to your preference. And hopefully you did like this video, and it would make me very, very happy if you liked, comment, and subscribe. But as always, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.